Alright, this is my 2000 Volkswagen Jetta turbo diesel, and I'm going to change my oil using the liquid vac oil extractor. Step 1, put the extraction tube down the dipstick. Step 2, pressurize the extraction jug. I pump it 50 times, and that okay, once the jug is pressurized, you flip this switch right here, and there goes the oil. Come back in about 5 minutes and do it again. The next thing I do is I take off the cap for the oil filter housing. The new filter contains your filter and the 2 O-rings you'll need. So now I take the filter out. I usually run this suction jug, I pressurize it twice. Okay, there are 2 O-rings on this cap. One is down here at the bottom, and the other one is at the top. So those have to be replaced. Okay, so the filter on these is not symmetrical. As you can see, this side has maybe a 1-inch deep lip, and this side is much deeper. So put the deeper side up against the top of the cap. And then of course just put it right down into the housing. I use AMSOIL 5W40. Costs about $68 for this whole oil change, 10,000 mile intervals. The next thing I do is I start the engine 3 times to circulate the oil, and then I check the oil to see if I need to add any more.